מדי שנים לו אין לנו יותר פנים רק הולכים ומשתנים כל הזמן
Let me see your face. Hi, Lulu. The lighting's not so good, but
because of the lamp behind me.
no, it's this.
שנים אין לנו יותר פנים רק הולכים ומתקיימים כל הזמן רק תבוא לא נשאר כלים כדי שנוכל אותם לשבור אנחנו לא יודעים שיכור שתמיד נופל לבור מן הסתם הסבבה את
Hi, Ella. Hi, baby. Hi, baby girl. Hey. Hey, Lulu. Hey, Lulu. Who's a big girl? Look at her sitting in her chair up by herself. Oh my goodness. You're ready for kindergarten. And you have your big girl outfit on from Aunt Christina and Uncle Ben. And you're playing with your toy from Grandma. Hey, Lulu. Lulu. Oops. Oops. Hi. There's your toy. All right. Don't everyone talk about her hair. I know it looks funky. She just woke up. Give her a break. Right? Say, give me a break already. Give me a break. I can't look perfect all the time. Right? Well, you can, but... Ooh. Ooh. What is that thing? Oops. You dropped it. There you go. You're going to put it down? Oh, okay. You don't want to play with... Oh, you're going to pick it up? That would be awesome. I'm going to help you a little bit. There you go. Yay! Oh, yeah! Who's this little guy? Oh, it's your friend. It's a giraffe. Mr. Giraffe. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See, you buy them toys, and they end up liking their pants. Who's that? Who's that little guy? What? Annabella. Annabella. Hi. Hi, Mushy. Yeah. Hi. There's your mommy. You blowing bubbles.